Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, Made with Glee. Welcome back to all my subscribers and welcome to anyone who's new. This is a really quick, simple, easy Dollar Tree DIY. I hope you like it. You're going to need 3 objects from the Dollar Tree: a skeleton, standing form, and 2 of the witches' cutouts. And paint. Now, I didn't include the cost of paint in this, but you're going to need some black paint, spray paint, craft paint, completely up to you. What you're going to do first of all is paint the base of your skull, skeleton, stand up, just the base black, and then you can shade in the eyes, whatever you want to do. Now for the witch's cutout, you're going to paint one side of each of the witch cutout completely black. Now I use spray paint on this, but you can use craft paint, but you're gonna make sure you're painting the opposite sides because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna overlap them to create one cauldron with 2 witches. So there, as you can see, on the other side you're gonna have the reverse is gonna be completely blank, and on one side it's gonna be white. So this is actually a reversible stand-up figure. Now once you have your black, you can paint it and leave it just like that and call it a day. But of course, you know, I like to paint, so I had to get a little bit creative, and I grabbed some craft color paints, purples, greens, blacks, and I decided that I'm gonna paint my witch in. Now I recommend doing a little light sketch just to see where you're gonna put what: her hair, her cloak, her dress, the hat, and her skin. Once you've outlined your witch to your satisfaction, then you can go ahead and start painting. Now again, I'm using just cheap craft acrylic paint for this. You can use whatever you have on hand. You don't have to get anything special. I'm just using some lime green. That just happens to be the color that I have, and I thought it was perfect for the witch's skin. So I'm gonna paint her face and her arms this bright neon lime green. And then pretty much this is just really a lot of fun and completely up to you if you choose to do this side with the craft colors and create your witches. If not, like I said, just spray paint both sides black and you can call it a day and it's completed. You can just glue them together and you'll have one piece that you'll be able to add some words to it or whatever you want. But like I said, I like painting. I like the folk art, crafty type stuff. So of course I had to take the time to give my witches some personality. So once I go ahead and I complete her face and arms, I start on the rest of the body, the hat, going in with my black, my base color. Of course, you can make, you know, any color combination of witch that you'd like. Again, I'm just using the colors I had on hand, and I tend not to use clean my brushes, so I'm just picking up purple with the same black dirty brush, and I'm just going over that to make her cloak. Again, really simple. You can make it orange, you can make the coat black and the dress purple. Completely up to you, however you guys choose to do this. So I'm just gonna let you watch me paint real quick. There's not much explanation going on here. We're just, you know, highlighting as we should where we want to put in features and create, because remember, one of the witches, her pot is not going to be shown. It's going to be completely covered, so you're just going to be painting in her hair and things like that. And again, as you guys can see, I'm using a really dirty brush. I just pick up colors and just layer it on top without even cleaning it. So, you know, I have some gray, and then I went and picked up white, and then I'm going to pick up more white if I need, or more black if I need, just to give her locks, you know, a little bit more texture and have it stand out. Really simple. And again, you don't even have to do this. You can make this as simple as you'd like or as detailed as you'd like. And that's it. Really easy. And then of course you need eyes and some warts, because you know I'm not gonna say what witch doesn't have warts and beady little eyes, but these particular witches have warts and beady little eyes. Not all witches do. Some of them are quite beautiful, actually. Okay, and then now back to our skull. We're gonna just go ahead and paint the entire skull white, and then we're using, again, same dirty brush and picking up grays just to give a little bit of shading and texture to my skull and my bones. I don't want it to look completely flat, so I'm gonna use the grays just to highlight around the skull, so it's like sitting off of the bones. And then, you know, a skull does have like cheekbones and hollows and stuff like that, so we're just gonna use the gray to paint that in. And once that's done, pretty much you let your paints dry, and then we're gonna assemble the whole thing, which is really simple. All you're gonna need is some craft glue, and that's about it. So enjoy, you guys. I hope you like my DIY. If you have any questions, let me know. It only costs $3 to make this stand-up witches sign. Actually, it's reversible, so you have 2 looks for $3, and you can still find these cutouts currently in the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to share this with you now. In case you wanted to make it, you have all the time to go ahead and do so. Have a wonderful day, and again, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, everyone. Ooh, one more thing, don't forget the Halloween challenge, a DIY and the vignette. Check my channel for all the details. Have a great one. Bye.